Think I killed him? Oh, I can execute him, yes! Die!
Oh
I killed you!
It's not what the kid
Get cooked, brother.
Who the fuck is this guy? No.
I don't know.
I don't want to be the hitchhiker, no. This guy looks dumb as shit.
We're at a gas station, the fuck?
Oh, it's the gas
It
station,
sounds
man.
barbecue.
Secure the property, dude.
Feed Grandpa blood. Hunt and collect blood. Execute.
Oh, it's
Where they
hooks.
copy
Oh,
Dead by Daylight, what the fuck? Oh, I'm outside.
I'm inside,
My
bro.
dude talks.
Oh,
Okay,
next
there's
to
a
the dead girl. Hey.
Now, what
there's
the
a
fuck is the
stamina.
blood doing
Okay,
with there?
there's a stamina. Or
Open. Yeah.
I have like a ability.
I can charge my
Yeah.
chainsaw.
I can either unlock and open or add a padlock.
I guess we look for him. I don't know.
I need adrenochrome.
Destroy.
That's cool.
Oh,
It's a really long animation.
Oh.
God damn it.
oh, I wish I knew what these things
House
did.
is-
Oh, that looks awesome.
Oh god, we need to go over here.
Can I open this?
Nope.
It's
I'm out of stamina.
Where y'all at? I'm in the north tunnel.
I'm in the
I'm in the
storefront.
compound.
It's
Oh,
kind of
no.
weird to have a gas station have all this weird stuff in it. Oh,
There's a noise notification. It's fucking striking a chicken. It was blocking out
I got a
rats.
person!
I
God damn
think
it.
it's my ability.
I saw a person.
Oh, there's a.
Oh, maybe I'm just
I have like a
Is it-
hearing ability or something. I don't
I
know
feel
if
like I hear people. I don't know.
Hi there.
Oh, I did! Come here!
I think somebody's over
Oh, an
there.
electric fence, dude? Hell yeah.
How do I kill people? Okay,
Stab
I'm approaching it. It overheated. What the fuck? No, I'm just... Dude, this is
Close.
We
weird.
gotta wake up Grandpa first. God damn. In order to feed him.
Oh, come on. I think I had to hit a button and I didn't. Come back, woman.
Alright, I
Come
found out
back.
how to attack. It's M1.
What's that rumble? I feel rumble occasionally. Is it like a person?
Oh, can I
Taking
get
my
you?
power
Oh,
lets
yeah.
me see footsteps.
I hit him. Yes, I got blood.
Cool, then, God. Oh, I woke up. Oh wait, no, they woke
Yes,
up
victim
Grandpa.
cookies.
Yay!
Come back here.
Grand.
Oh, there's somebody activated a trap down there.
I'm doing
Hey, that's where
damage.
Grandpa is.
Oh, I see everyone. I see everyone.
My chainsaw got stolen, motherfucker.
Does anyone else hear this weird noise? It sucks.
Come back.
see one of
There's
them.
2 people next to me. Come back. This chainsaw does literally nothing, I think.
Oh, I stabbed one! I'm stabbing her! Jacob, get her!
I'm trying. Thrust. Oh,
Die!
I can't get
Stupid!
in. I can't get in.
They fucking shut it on!
I see
Open!
you. Come here.
Hey,
Come
who
here,
goes
woman.
there?
Get him!
What the hell?
Get him! There's
Sorry,
two
y'all.
of
Come here, woman. Come here.
them! Get
Come over here. Let's get him.
Oh my god!
We did it.
We did it!
Where's the other lady at?
Now, where's the next 3?
There she is!
Stop
Go!
following me.
Go!
Grandpa's
Oh,
in
no,
danger.
Grandpa's-
No.
Oh, hey, Jacob.
Oh, that's
Missed.
Rex. Whoopsies.
Oh my fucking god.
Dumbass, dude.
Wait, she must have went through here.
Oh, there's an empty bucket. No. They might be out here. These doors are both open. Search. Oh, no one's in there.
They have to turn off the generator to
Oh,
get rid of the electric fence.
Like,
I can destroy a lot of shit. Goddamn.
Oh, one of them
Actually,
left.
disconnected. That's the person that.
oh,
Oh, hey,
Oh.
Rex. Is that a candle?
that's a something. I think it's like a knife.
Come out wherever
okay.
you fucking go.
I actually can't tell. It kind of does look like a candle. I have no idea what the hell it actually is.
That guy kinda
What are
looks
we
like
doing
he
down
wants-
here?
I'm gonna
I don't
feed
know. I'm trying
Grandpa.
to find Grandpa.
Hey, see
I
one!
can't find the stairs.
Fuck! I can't get to her!
I can't find him either. I've been down here for a while.
I can thrust all these. God damn it! I want to go through shit. Did that work?
Come here, you stupid bitch!
Anyone in here?
Guys, he's coming through the house! Go!
I don't
knew
know
where
what
the
this-
stairs
I know where the
was.
stairs for the Satopa lock. These are the stairs right here. Oh,
He's
that's
running
me.
out.
Wait,
No!
stop, where?
Wait, I found them! How am I so bad? I'm missing everything!
I'm sprinting.
Hey, what's in
as fast as I
here?
can.
Jacob, you gotta break
Some
this
people can like
thing.
hide in here.
Where are you? I don't know where you are. I'm just running.
Come at, come to Grandpa!
I'm outside. I don't know where Grandpa is.
I am here
too.
too.
Stupid bitch!
This Grandpa.
Right there. This is Grandpa.
Guys, we're in the house. Go!
Let's go. Feed
Get out of the
Grandpa.
fucking family. There's a woman. You stupid.
There's some blood.
Where's the house?
Blood.
Are they
just
behind
for
this
you,
door?
Grandpa.
Guys, there's a woman that just ran right past you.
Pat.
I'm
I
not
just
looking.
Pat Grandpa. Okay, I fed him. Now where do we go?
Anyone
I got
in here?
her. You stupid woman.
Anyone in this other one? Nah, it's only that one. Okay.
Oh, I see you over there.
This is the white man. Oh, you little white boy. Come here. Wait, no, this is the black dude.
Wow.
I'm stabbing him.
I'll cut him off in.
Oh shit. I'm fucking. He's fighting back.
Oh my
God.
goodness! Oh my god! Sir, I'm so sorry! Oh, he's dead.
Yeah, I just fed Grandpa.
Where's the final victim at?
The white
He's
boy.
right here. That's that's
white boy.
Rex. That's fucking Rex. Got the.
Yeah.
There he is. He's in the basement.
Get him. Let's kill him.
I didn't get to see because I was breaking something. I'll just follow you.
Andrew, where are you?
Andrew,
You're
where'd
still
you
in the
go?
basement, right?
Are you
I'm in the
red
basement.
room?
Yeah, we all are, but
Oh, you gotta just keep running through it.
Oh, these things are moving. Someone must have been here earlier.
I think that is just you.
Grandpa, I got blood.
Grandpa, we almost have the last victim ready for you, grandfather.
We'll serve him into a nice kid cake. Protection
Ooh.
cooldown reduced.
There he is. He's up there.
Oh, I see him too. I see him as well.
Oh, wait,
I'm kind of close.
Oh, I'm coming.
If I knew where this. Wait, shit, I'm close. I'm
He
close.
just closed the door. I'm coming for you, Kaka. I see you. You can't hide from me. Damn it.
Shit, he's like Jacob. He's like right around here, right?
He's right in front of me. I'm chasing after him.
We're coming on a little flank.
Damn it, he's so fast. To your right, Rex. Get his ass. Behind you. Come here, you.
Oh, I see him. I see him. Hold up, I can run.
No, die. Oh.
Oh, what? They can do that? Not
I hit him
fair.
a little bit.
I think that's just that dude's ability.
Yeah, that's broken. He's just a broken character.
I got more.
Oh, where are y'all? Where are
I'm
y'all?
upstairs feeding Grandpa.
Trying to find his ass.
Where'd he go? Oh, my
Oh, I
God.
found him again. I found him again. I found him again.
Oh, I'm just gonna hit
He's
him.
coming around the back. Or...
Wait, did he die? What the hell?
Oh, hey, Rex. How you doing over there?
I think I killed him. Oh, I can execute him. Yes. Die.
Oh
I
my
killed
goodness, not with the kid.
Get cooked, brother. Yeah, you just got cooked, fool.
Yeah, we did it.
Complete first match. Yay! I'm dancing around.
Grandfather, where are you? We must feed
Holy
you
I heard a
blood.
lady. I heard someone go ah.
Ladies,
So maybe oh wait, I could have gone this way this whole time. God damn it.
ladies and gentle gamers.
Oh, I see a guy. Come here, you.
Kill him.
I gotta break this obstacle first. Start with the
Yeah, I see them. I just can't get them because the door's not open. The
you go.
fuck? No, like
Got it.
You
Grandpa
tried
needs
to
to
run.
go open
You
up.
tried to run.
Did you try like
to
the
me.
doorknob?
I got bored.
Oh, wait, Jacob, I hear you. Where are you?
This guy's fast. Oh, I got him twice. Come here, you.
Jacob, where are you?
Oh, he just looped me. God damn it.
Oh, Grandpa's
Yeah.
awake.
Oh,
Yes.
yes.
You can finally do
I think you're the only one that's allowed
Oh,
down
I
there.
got a bitch.
Oh, I see
Wait,
you.
Jacob. Oh, it's us. It's us.
Oh, I hit her.
Jacob, where'd she go?
She went upstairs.
I got her. I'm here too.
Teamwork makes the dream work, baby.
Shit,
Someone else here.
I saw another person like down on the other side.
Oh, hi. There you are.
I'm downstairs. I'm coming
Found
out.
the man. He's
Oh,
running
hey.
away from me.
Oh, hey, Rex.
Where's
I
stairs?
thought you were someone else.
Nope, on me. She's in building
What the
now.
fuck? I got the man! I got one! Holy
That's
shit,
good,
it's slit his
that's
throat! Holy shit!
Oh, hey, guys.
Holy shit!
Wow, dude, you murdered someone in the murder game.
I actually slit his wrist and then slit his throat.
Oh, edgy,
Wait, there's a
dude.
guy.
Where the hell's fucking Grandpa?
That's Rex.
Right here.
What do you mean he's not hungry?
I guess we just fed him.
I have almost full blood, dude. Let me fucking feed you.
You'll be hungry in a couple of seconds.
Is that level 2?
Oh yeah, dude, we got level 2 Grandpa. We're gonna set a trap in front of Grandpa's door.
I found someone. Gotcha, bitch. Come back. Hey, you thought. Oh, fuck. Come here. I hit you 3 fucking times. 4 times. How you not dead?
Either.
5 times. 6 times. There we go. The final victim.
Well, look who it is.
Take some more. Look, oh, is that the final victim who just ran in here, dude?
That's me.
Yeah, you look like a victim. Come here. Oh, are you throwing up? Yeah. Yucky. Alright,
Oh, what is you? God damn it, dude.
come out this front door.
Wait, I just saw an outline of a red guy, like, down over this floor.
Where's the house, Grampy?
I found him.
Oh, we'll kill him then, dude.
Well, I guess I'll just give this blood to this.
I want it. No!
What the
He
hell?
appreciates you. He appreciates you feeding him blood.
I'm fucking. I can't. No! Get back here!
Andrew, don't
I'm
sell.
coming, don't worry. Oh, I see the guy! Andrew, I'm watching you, not Sil. Oh, he's
Are you
I
hungry?
watched
I have to
you, Sil.
crawl. It just takes a little while. Hold on. No! He's dead. Oh god, the sound is so fucking gross.
We did it.
Oh, I just realized her grippers are out. Yay!
The one that goes beep boop boop bop, beep boop boop beep bop bop, beep boop boop beep bop boop bop, beep boop boop beep boop bop, beep boop boop bop bop, beep boop boop beep bop bop, beep boop boop beep boop boop bop, beep beep boop boop bop bop, beep boop boop bop, boop beep boop boop beep boop bop, beep boop boop beep bop, beep bop.